Hi guys, so we just wanted to wish Mountain Culture a happy 2nd birthday, and most of all say thank you for being such awesome fans of our beer and being along on this crazy ride for us for the last 2 years. We'd love to be hanging out with you guys and just having a few drinks, some cake, and celebrating, but unfortunately this is the best we can do right now, so here we go.
Yeah, so like the folks down at the new place, you know, they're celebrating down there, from what I understand. Well, they've got a state-of-the-art brewery. We have class. So we're using only the finest ingredients in our beer. From what I understand, I don't know, I haven't really tried a lot of Australian bubbly, but I have it on good authority. This is among the best. Holy shit! That's really good.
Part 2, now that the beer has actually been brewed and fermented, we've got Emu Plains. This beer is really special because we use the highest grams per liter of 2 ingredients that we really pride ourselves on: birthday cake and champagne. What we have is a big New England IPA. We brewed it with some of our favorite hops, Litre and Ruaka. It's got great head retention, and the champagne really comes through. We're stoked to finally have this beer in can, and obviously throw a big celebration now that we're out of lockdown up in the brewpub up in Katoomba. So cheers.
All right, so yeah, the Katoomba version of the 2 beers that we're releasing for our 2nd birthday. Pretty remarkable coincidence, 2 beers on the 2nd birthday, I know. As a cold IPA, which is basically the same recipe as the Emu Plains version, just not hazy, uses a lager strain, and a lot of corn. Yeah, 8.2%, it's pretty good for a beer that has hops in it. But you know, important bits, bit of birthday cake, and the finest of the finest, some passion pop. And more than anything, you can taste the opulence. Cheers!